Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. Today we want to reveal this $2 solution which advertised that it can actually seal and also restore or recover your cracked glasses and lens. So we got it online. It comes with a very small solution bottle and a pen knife and some transparent film for you to cover later on, and an instruction manual. So based on the instruction manual, you're supposed to treat the solution onto the cracked area and then cover it with that transparent film so it will be flattened out. So once it's dried up, so you can use that pen knife to sort of like strip the transparent film off from the surface and also to sort of like trim the uneven surface. So we want to give it a try on our cracked headlight and see whether it works. Nope, it doesn't work, so it's still there. So what about inside out? So we try to stick it in and see if we apply on the inside, how does it look like. It doesn't look very promising either, so this is not really something really fantastic. We let it have some time to try it out, and then we did a water test, and this is the result. Water inside, so we will try it out. Then we were thinking, what if it only works on glass? So we decided to give it a shot on our mobile phone screen, which is glass. So let's try on our cracked phone. Okay, see how does it perform. So far looks promising. And this is the next day. We noticed that the crack is still very visible. Probably last night was just the liquid, reflection and stuff covering that crack. It makes the illusion that the crack is totally gone. Once it dries up and the next day you will see the crack still there, clearly visible. So the conclusion of this magical solution that helps you to solve your whatever cracked glasses issue is not really functional. So it's best that you save that $2 to buy a coffee or chicken rice. Alright guys, that's just our opinion and our experience on this product. Hope you like this video. See you again on our next video. Bye bye.